Hey, welcome to Birthday Parties. Today we have a jay and a white-winged dove. Here comes a jay. This area is actually one of the white-winged dove's favorite perches. So he's gonna show up. Okay, here he comes. You notice his wings? He's not trying to fly, but he's trying to scare off the jay, but the jay is ignoring him. And you notice the peanuts are stuck into the cardboard. Just want to see how the blue jay will react to that. And notice he went for the loose peanut first when he first arrived. So he's opening up the peanut and he's eating the seed. The white-winged dove, he hangs around here a lot, so he doesn't like the blue jay. Every time there's a jay here, the dove will come and, protect the territory. And you see the mourning dove sneak up behind him. Okay, look at the jay. Which peanut he's gonna get next? Oh, that one popped off. So he picked the low-hanging fruit. He tried to go back to the tree branch that we have between the bricks, but the dove was there, so he went somewhere else. Right, the white-winged dove, they like to eat seeds. And actually, they don't eat it right away. They put it in their crop, and then they're gonna go later to digest. Oh, you see his wing? So that's to warn the blue jay that he might get slapped. See that? This is also showing that this is his territory, so don't come close. I think the blue jay got the point and he took off. Have you all seen the white-winged dove do that to his tail? Kind of spreading it and then bobbing it up and down. Sometimes when they mate, they'll do that. But definitely when they're trying to protect the territory. And I think I read somewhere that they do that when they're trying to mate as well. So yeah, birds have really interesting behavior. I don't know if the pace or the rhythm of the tail means something, but definitely earlier when you saw the wing was raised, that he's ready to fight. He's ready to slap the blue jay. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little dance that the white-winged dove is doing, and you can see how intelligent the blue jay was. He went for the low energy, low hanging fruit, well, in this case a peanut. The ones that are stuck in deep in the cardboard, he didn't really go for that. Awesome. All right, you have a great day. Remember to like and subscribe and share it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.